back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So this video is going to be a review video. So today we are going to be reviewing the Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette. So yes, this is our product for the day, and if you are interested in this, then please continue watching. So let's talk about the packaging first. So this is the outer packaging. So this is how it looks. It is written here, Swiss Beauty Hollywood eyeshadow palette, 32 colors and Forever eyeshadows. And this is all the sticker and barcode over here. So I have bought it from Amazon. So I'll link the product link in the description, so you check it out. So backside you can see all the shades are mentioned over here. So all of these shades are present in the palette itself. So this is the good quality cardboard packaging, and yes, it is made in PRC, so that's important for you. So other details we'll just see in the packaging itself. So this is how it looks like. It has a reflective kind of packaging and it's good quality luxurious packaging. And the price, the first and foremost thing which comes to your mind is the price. So the price of this is $5.99. like MRP is $5.99, but you always get it on discounts. So from Amazon I just got it for rupees 341 rupees, so that's a heavy discount I feel. So this is very good like size as well for an eyeshadow palette, and considering that it has 32 colors, so what else can we ask for? So backside you can see all the details mentioned, like what are the ingredients in detailed list, not one to all ingredients. Then the name, the manufacturing, the made in PRC, used before, batch number and everything. So this is very good thing I feel, like they have mentioned at the back, because we tend to throw the cardboard boxes for sure. So after opening it, you can see there is a big mirror over here, full size mirror. So this is how the mirror looks like, full size, good quality, like you can do your makeup with this. So this is the main reason for buying this palette, the mirror quality, because only in 350 you get a mirror outside. So if you're getting a palette, then what's better than that? So the shades you can see right here, these are all the beautiful shades. Just have a look. So all of these are colorful eyeshadows. I personally love colorful eyeshadows and playing with colors, because I'm considering new to makeup, so I feel like colorful eyeshadows are very good. Other than neutrals, everybody can create a look from neutrals. So for this palette, like the main thing is the color scheme, like what they have kept. They have a blue, orange, yellow, white, pink, dark blue, navy green, light green, like almost all the shades. So let's swatch some of my favorite shades from here. So I'll swatch a purple for you guys first. So this is the like pigmentation, I'll show it to you. So this is how it is. It's a matte shimmery formula, no like mix in between formula. So this is how it looks. First purple, then we will be swatching a navy blue kind of shade, which looks very pretty. On camera it looks a lighter, but it's actually darker blue. So this is the shade. Then let's swatch some orange, orangish color. So this is how it looks like. It's a bit powdery. Then the next color we'll be swatching is a navy green, like army green color, sorry. They're extremely soft to touch, like if you press very hard then you can break them. Like you can see this shade. Oh my god, this is a green, army green color, and it's supremely pigmented, as you can see. These were light swatches, this is a full-on swatch like I did, and just see. So these are some of my favorites. I'll be creating a lots of looks with this palette, so let's try and create one right now. So I'll just prepare my eyes for this and I'll be back. So I have my eyes all prepped up and I have zoomed you guys in so you can see it well. So the base shade, like we keep a neutral shade, that's really not there, but we can take this brown orangish shade right here and put it in our lid. So you can see the pigmentation itself, like it has made a huge difference already. The mirror is of really good quality, I must say. So I'll just do one eye with you and then do the rest off camera. So this is the base shade, and our eyes look much better now. Now we'll just we'll just go for a violet eye. So I'll take this light violet shade and just place it on the lid. The colors are very good and soft on the eyes. So as you can see, there is a hint of like violet and purple going on. Next we'll take the darker shade, and this we'll take with our fingers and place it on our lid. So that's a cute little purple eye going on. So you can build it up as much as you wish to. So this is how the pigmentation is. So as you can see, now again we'll take the lighter shade and blend this well. So that's our purple eye. So just we have another purple kind of shade right here. So this is how it looks. We'll just place it over here. We have 3 purple shades here. So wait, I'll show you. So this is the one, then we have this, and then we have this right here. So you can create any look you want to. So our eyes look done, like in 3 shades our eyes are done perfectly. So like if you want, you can deepen the outer V with a black, but I'm not wanting to do so. I love this look on me. So I'll complete this and I'll be back. So I completed my eyes like with liner, mascara, kajal. So for the under eyes, I feel I should take this pretty purple shade right here from the palette. This shade, and I'll place it on my lower lash line. And it looks super pretty. It got blended so well and so easily. So this is how my eyes look. I never went with such a pretty look, I feel. I'm in love with this look. What you guys think? Please let me know. So in short, that's all for my review. Like you can see the results for yourself. The eyeshadow palette is amazing. It has performed so well on the eyes. These are all the pretty shades, and you can get your hands on this from Amazon. There is the best deal available on Amazon. So that's all for my review. Please like, share and subscribe if you like the video. See you in my next video.